Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add bottom border to multiple cells in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here many cells. Now we want to add the bottom border to multiple cell. At first, select any cell. Go to the home menu. Select the border drop down menu. We can see here many border style. Now I am select the bottom border option. Then go to the next cell and applying the same option. Now we can see we add the bottom border on multiple cell easily. Now we want to make sure the border is added. Go to the file menu, select the print option and check the print preview. We can see we add the bottom border on multiple cell easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.